This is the in-use test, seeing the battery life. So we got the drum pants on, it's all set up here, sensors in, switches on, you can see that blue LED at this angle. Yeah, so it's working. All 4 sensors. The test is to make sure the battery can last 2 hours with constant use. Constant use we defined as 6 beats per minute. So over 2 hours, that's 120 minutes times 6 is 720 beats. So what Don said, we can spread out the 720 beats throughout the entire 2 hours, or just have it all at once. It doesn't really matter. It's energy. So I'm going to do 720 beats, and then we are going to let it sit for 2 hours and see if it can last that long on one battery without switching out. So here we go. So down here, it's an Energizer 9-volt. Alright, so let's start the clock. It's been running for a little longer, so that'll definitely prove it. So I'm going to start tapping, and when we get to 120, I'm going to take a pause and keep it on, and then we'll come back after the full hours and see if the full 2 hours and see if it continues to work after that without running out of battery. So. One hundred. 200. 300. 400. 500. 600. 700. 720. Alright, I'm going to stop the video now. I'm going to leave it for the full 1 hour, 54 minutes, 30 seconds left. And then we're going to check out on again and make sure they're still working. So, alright, see you in an hour and 54 minutes and 25 seconds. Alright, so we have 0 seconds left on the clock. Alright, it's been stopped at 2 hours. It's currently 12:48 or so. We started like 2.5 hours ago or something. I'm not sure. So over 2 hours. Pants are still on. Pants are still quite functional and still on. So it's past the 720 hits and 2 hours test. So it has quite a low power draw, which is exactly what was calculated. It was calculated that this could last about 5 hours of constant use. So it lasted 2 hours, and that beats our test requirement. So, ta-da!